naman yun. Lito, pa-street tala yung sila. Dito daw kamutanan.
Presenting to you our officiating officials for this match. Our first referee, Mr. Jeromo Sinata, regional referee. Our second referee, Ms. Jonah Itayo, regional referee. Introducing, right up for Warriors Summer Edition, we have jersey number 1, jersey number 10, jersey number 12, jersey number 2, jersey number 5, and jersey number 4. Head coach, Mr. Rita Oria. And now, from the Walk City Division, we have jersey number 3, jersey number 4, jersey number 10, jersey number 6, jersey number 13, jersey number 9, yellow, jersey number 12, head coach, Madam Sulma. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our match number 23. Good luck to both teams.
Pagparakiwara. I-stay nila, stay nila.
Harmok po ang kalaban namo.
Ayun, tita! Ayun, tita! Tita ka! Ayun, doon! May sister yun doon!
Alor sila di ako na Ariel eh. Hindi ka lang. Isur ka mong sorti din. Hindi ka lang. Bantay ka ako. Chile, bayo ka mo na rin. Bayo ka mo.
Ala, layo na siya.
Tatalit ka.
Go, go, go!
On the center side, jersey number 1 of Northern Summer Division. Gibson, reception number 1. Appointing to the North City Division.
Mawiyan, liya, harmok lang yan.
We would like to inform our supporters to minimize the sound of the drums para di malipat ang atuang server kay dili kayo mabati ang whistle. Thank you. Jersey number 4 from the North City Division. Place for the North City Division. Iba na talaga ang mga kabataan ngayon.
Marco! Baklaw, bantayan!
Ang ating mga atleta. So, officer jersey number 4.
Wala na yung Maya, bukas pag-harap ka na si Tun.
Retaliation for Rock Division.
Ano man?
Freedom para sa komunidad ng Northern Summer. Ano kayang gagawin ng Northern Summer?
Yes! Let's go, Norte! Ayaw magpapiti! Let's go, Norte! Ayaw magpapiti! Fight, fight, fight!
It's a one-point advantage for the Rock City Division. Recovery for more. Free ball pa sa kabunan again ng Northern Summer Division. Kaya nga bang ibalik? It's outside.
Norte, ayaw magpapende. Let's go, Norte, ayaw magpapende. Fight, fight, fight. Lupa, Norte. Bro, Kiara, bawi sa ato kaganina.
Ito kaya gagawin ng Urang sa Division.
Yes!
Aba, para sa Northern Summer. Hit from Northern Summer. Babae nga bawal mo. Babae. A point for the Nueva City Division. Our first score we have 3. Serving 2. Ganda may isang puntos ang Urmok City Division. On the service line, jersey number 10. It's a service ace para sa kupunan ng Urmok City Division. Official score 2. Serving 4. It's a back-to-back service aces para sa kupunan ng Urmok City Division. Official score 5. Serving 2. May set para sa Northern Summer. Top shot para sa kupunan ng Northern Summer.
Ayaw magpapende. Let's go, Norte, ayaw magpapende. Fight, fight, fight. Lupa, Norte. Lupa!
Advantage para sa kupunan ng Urmok. Nice serve galing sa Northern Summer. It's a cross-court hit coming from jersey number 10. On the service line, ang kapitana ng Urmok City Division, jersey number 10. Skip save. Attack galing sa Northern Summer. Nice recovery para sa kupunan ng Urmok City. Outside. Attack Alec
Tambor yan eh.
Number 4. Official score 7. Serving 3. Good serve galing sa kapitana ng Urmok. Free ball para sa Urmok. It's a net infraction committed by Urmok City Division.
Let's go, Norte, ayaw magpapende. Let's go, Norte, ayaw magpapende. Fight, fight, fight. Lupa, Norte.
Ng Northern Summer Division. Good serve galing kay kapitana. Nice set. Across court hit. Good save. Free ball para sa kupunan ng Northern Summer. Ano kaya gagawin ng Northern Summer?
Hey!
Good save converted to an error. Official score of the match, we have 8.
Bawi! Bawi!
Napaka-fitness ang yaman ng Urmok City Division. Good serve. Free ball ang pinaligay ng Northern Summer. Kaya lamang itaas ng Northern Summer. Nice recovery. Itataas lamang ng Urmok. Nice save from Northern Summer.
Let's go, Norte! Ayaw magpapende! Let's go, Norte! Ayaw magpapende! Fight, fight, fight! Lupa! Ay, sorry po. Bawal! Wow! Saglit ball! Let's go Norte! Ayaw pagpapalit! Let's go Norte! Ayaw pagpapalit! Fight, fight, fight! Go back, Norte! Let's go Norte! Ayaw pagpapalit! Let's go Norte! Ayaw pagpapalit! Fight, fight, fight! Go back, Norte!
Nagirin mo sa kuwan. Laptop.
Let's go Norte! Ayaw pagpapalit! Let's go Norte! Ayaw pagpapalit! Fight, fight, fight! Go back, Norte!
8, serving 11, lamang ng puntos sa komunidad ng Mock City. Free ball ang pinamigay para sa Northern Samar. Ano kaya ang gagawin ng Northern Samar? Itatayo ang palang Mock.
Yes! Let's go Norte! Ayaw pagpapalit! Let's go Norte! Ayaw pagpapalit! Fight, fight, fight! Go back, Norte!
Free ball play ang pinamigay ng Mock para sa Northern Samar. It's a
Yes! Let's go Norte! Ayaw pagpapalit! Let's go Norte! Ayaw pagpapalit! Fight, fight, fight! Go back, Norte!
Ano kaya ang gagawin ng Mock City Division? It's a service error committed by
Bawal!
following the mission. On the service line, jersey number 3 of the Mock City Division. It's a good serve. Nice reception. Italayo ng Northern Samar.
Nice throw pa!
Matawin ang bagong to. Coming from jersey number 10.
Northern Samar, 10, Ormoc 13.
Taas ang ito ang kalamangan ng Mock City. Mabawi nga ba ang Northern Samar?
Yes, babawi kami! Hala! Time out, time out.
Para sa kapunad ng Northern Samar.
Sige lang.
Tama ka lang.
Relax lang. Sige lang. Relax. Relax lang, relax. Ang black niyo. Okay na. Okay na niyo black. Ano, hindi yan yung likod.
Megas. Isa lang man.
Siguro.
Isa lang man.
Pasiguro.
Siya to the administration of the College of Masen, a never-ending thank you for hosting, embracing, and letting us use this facility to be the venue of Bravo Elementary Girls Division. Back to the ball game. Our official score is 14. Serving 10. Zero on the service line. Jersey number 3. 3 po pa na binigay ng Northern Samar.
Nice, Mio! Let's go, Norte! Ayaw magpapatid! Let's go, Norte! Ayaw magpapatid! Fight, fight, fight! Lupas, Norte!
We are now at 11. Serving 14. Service error. Galing sa kapunan ng Northern Samar Division. On the service line, our setter, number 1, City Division, jersey number 4. It's his service aim.
Ito. Sabihin niya.
Another point taken
Kanay, kanay.
on the side of Ormoc City Division.
Ako lang, tusod. Dito, sir, back.
Second service is a back-to-back service aces. Galing by jersey number 4 of Ormoc City Division.
Dalaga nito.
Our official score is 17, serving 11. Good serve. Nice reception. Itinaas ng libero. Free win na naman ang binigay ng Northern Samar.
Oo, ako free ball.
Palitan niyo ng mga primol. Ano kayang gagawin ng setter? Kapitan ng Northern Samar. It's a good day. Galing sa libero ng Ormoc.
Oh!
It's a good day. Converted into an error by jersey number 10. Official score is 12, serving 14. Labang pa rin ang ilang puntos ang kapunan ng Ormoc City Division. It's inside.
Let's go, Norte! Ayaw magpapatid! Let's go, Norte! Ayaw magpapatid! Fight, fight, fight! Lupas, Norte! Sir! Sir, nakupo ako ng kupo ko!
Galing sa kabunan ng Northern Samar.
13-18!
On the service line, jersey number 10 of Ormoc City. It's a good serve. And converted into a point. Service ace. Galing kay jersey number 10. Patuloy na umarang kada tumabate ang Ormoc City Division. Good serve again. Nice pinapay mula sa Northern Samar. Oh, this is more. It's a good shot.
Wala na!
Ay kapitana ng Ormoc City Division. Time out para sa kapunan ng Northern Samar Division.
Ormoc po, ma'am, ang lamangon. Last 5 na Ormoc. Handa yan.
Hindi na talaga basta-basta ang mga atleta natin ngayon. Habang tumatagal, lumalakas sila lalo. Once again, I would like to inform everyone that whoever loses this match will automatically our bronze medalist. And whoever wins will advance the championship round tomorrow.
Score po. Northern Samar 13, 20 Ormoc. Bawi! One seat pala po ini, ma'am. Ay, first seat na yan, ma'am.
Service error committed by Tracy. Number 10, official score, we have 14, serving 20. At the service line, we have Jersey number 12, Northern Summer Division. It's a strong serve. Free ball na naman ang pinamigay ng Ormoc. Ano ba yung gagawin ni Kapitan? Nice day, Kyle Silvera ng Ormoc. Free ball na naman ang binigay. Nice set. Galing kay Jersey number 10 of Northern Summer Division.
3 win, 1 loss.
Official score on the left, we have 21, serving 15. On the service line, we have the Capitana of the Ormoc City Division, Jersey number 6.
Wala!
Official score 22, serving 15. Good serve again. Galing sa Ormoc. Free ball na binigay ng Northern Summer. Tinaas ng center at ang gagawin ng number 3. Converted to point. Still on the service line. Team captain of Ormoc City Division. Vivo na naman. Set. Para sa open. Tinaas ng setter. Pinalo ng Kapitana. Ano ba yung gagawin?
Ano na? Bakro! Bantay na ako po, bakro! Bantay ka mo, bakro! Inaatag niya sa maritaw at press ka mo!
Nice goal galing sa ating Kapitana.
Let's go, North! Ala ka mo nila.
On the service line, Tracy, number 2, team captain. Northern Summer Division. Tinaas ng Kapitana. Net infraction ang tinawag
Ayaw
ng
magpapitay!
Referee.
Let's go, Norte! Ayaw magpapitay! 5-5-5! Lupad! Norte!
17, serving 24. Sa good serve again. Pasagpunan ng Northern Summer. Pinalo ni Gonzalo. Tinaas. Pinalo ng Kapitana. Nakikitawag ng center.
Let's go, Norte! Ayaw magpapitay! Let's go, Norte!
Again. Para sa kapunan ng Ormoc. Ormoc City Division. Ano masasabi niyo, Sir Alfred? Sa mga atleta natin sa Eastern Visayas region. Iba talaga ang lakas ng mga batang natutulog ng maaga. Hindi nagpapuyat, hindi nagpapagod, at nag-aaral ng mabuti. Once again, we
Northern Summer 18.
24. Oroc City takes set number 1. Players and line please. Shout out to the parents of our athletes from Northern Summer Division. Thank you for attending and witnessing the game of our athletes. And of course, to the parents of our Wolf City Division.
Hey, masay ta ako
Thank
yan.
you so much for attending.
Hey, Marg.
And of course, witnessing with us today the different skills and talents of our athletes, young athletes of Eastern Visayas region.
Ini pada kalau Sir ni Margo. Ayan. Pada kalau Sir ni Margo,
Hey, kung set 1, 18, Northern Summer, tapos 25, Ormoc. Pero di kami, first set. Masunod ka niyan, pagtuhay.
Ikaw, di ba? Tata, tata, tata. Pantay. Okay.
Sir, tigay! Kay! Sir, tigay!
Baliktad ka.
Masud, dami.
Let's go! Norte! Ayaw magpapapalaw. Makatiligas sa pakarga. Malikaw. Sapa. 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 Banto! Norte!
Abi, abi, abi.
Once again, this is now our set number 2,
Maya, atras!
wherein Oroc City takes set number 1. Good save galing kay jersey number 3. Good save galing sa Kapitana. Pero hindi na naibalik ang goal. Official score.
Maya, atras nami!
Serving 0.
Sama na din ang mamaki!
On the service line, jersey number 3 of Oroc City Division. Nice set. Nice adapt. Nataas pa rin ang bola. Good set galing sa Northern Summer.
Yes!
But it's outside.
Flying ball, kuya. Malamang ka lang buka.
Position 4-0. It's the service ace. Galing kay jersey number 3 of the MOOC City Division.
Tama ka. Palit mo din. Ayaw! Makulong.
Serve galing kay jersey number 3. Down the line attack. Galing kay jersey number 12.
Let's go, Norte! Ayaw magpaperte! Let's go, Norte! Ayaw magpaperte! Fight, fight, fight! Lupahan, Norte!
On the service line, second, Northern Summer Division.
Magkuha na dapat
Second
sila.
set, ano kayong gagawin ng jersey? That's a nice push. Solid pull. Position 4.